G'day guys, Neil here, how you going? I'm just on the way back from Moorbank. I've picked up a new bash plate for the Mighty Challenger. It's black 4mm steel, weighs 18 kilos, so I'm going to put an extra bolt in the front. That's a lot of weight. Much heavier than the originals. So as soon as I get home I'm going to fit it and I'll make a video about it. This is the old one. Obviously well overdue for a change. That was actually dragging in the sand last time we went away, so. Okay, so I did know part of the bash plate was damaged, but by the end of that trip to Hawk's Nest, it was partially ripped off. Maybe I can blame the bash plate for all of those times I got bogged, eh? Anyway, in this video I'll be fitting a 2-piece OCAM bash plate kit to the PB Challenger.
Well, yeah, they've got spring lockers, so that will be useful.
This is a bolt-on replacement made from 4mm steel, which has been painted. These bash plates will protect the front and the diff sump components from everything four-wheel driving throws at the vehicles underneath. But they will get knocked and scraped over time and will be susceptible to rust. But at $169, they're really affordable, so they are an option. They seem solid and they'll look good on the vehicle. The winch rope's going to be in the way, I think. I've just got a bolt hanging down, so, and then I'll put a nut on from this side, so at least it'll have 3 fasteners. The front bash plate has a centre hole, and that hole lines up with a hole in the frame. So I'm going to put an M8 30mm high tensile fastener in with 2 washers on, and that'll be an extra support for the weight of the new bash plate. Well, I managed to tighten that up by going through here where the back of the winch is. So now all 7 bolts are in, and I'm going to do a test drive. I've got a GoPro fitted to the bull bar to record it. This job wasn't hard to do with a few tools, and in my case it just had to be done. I'll see how these go over time and I'll keep you updated. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.